Hello my crafty friends, it's Tranae, and I thought instead of a project today, I am going to show you a technique I like to use to send like embellishments that I create, and like if I want to gift them to someone for Happy Mail. You can also use the same technique if you just want to store your embellishments so you can organize them and not worry about them sticking to something else or getting messed up in the process. So here's what I do. So here are 4 embellishments that I created. I have this packaging bag. I purchased these off of Amazon. It came with all of these. They come in different sizes. So this is the largest size that came in this pack. Now they do have some bigger, but as you can see, they have like 2 other sizes in here. So what I could do is if I wanted to just package this like one at a time, I could use it like that. Or I can put in like 2, or actually I could probably get them all in this one if it'll be a tight fit, or I can just use the big one like I had. So that's what I'm gonna stick with today. And what I do, I'll push these aside a little bit and pull out my scrap box. So this is that box where all my unused scraps go. And as you can see, this is just one of them. I know I have a problem. That's why I'm trying to create projects right after I get through with a main project. You know, just go ahead and use the scraps up right then and there to reduce what I have in this box. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in here, and all I'm doing is looking for a paper that'll be subtle and allow the embellishments to really shine. Alright, so we have our sheet of paper, and what I like to use is removable glue dots. Yay! And these will just make sure that your project will stick to your paper, but not necessarily be, you know, permanently adhered to the glue dots, because they are removable. Alright, it's kind of the same way they do with packaging of things. Alright, so what I need to do is trim this down to size. First, to do that, I need a measurement. So I just take a simple marker, pen, pencil, whatever I can get my hands on, and just kind of do little dots where I need to cut down my paper. And one of the tricks that I do is I cut it about 1/8 of an inch shorter than what I actually needed. And this would allow me to get the perfect fit every time, because when you add embellishments or whatever you put in the bag, it kind of changes the dimension a little bit, and you want a little bit of wiggle room. So as you can see, that worked out fine. And then I just grabbed my removable glue dots, and these are from Hobby Lobby. I had the hardest time finding removable glue dots, and Michaels don't sell this brand anymore, and the brand that they did sell didn't have removable glue dots. And you know, it's like, come on. So all I do is add these on until I like the layout, and that can be a challenge in and of itself, just getting everything to fit on. It's like putting together a puzzle, just make it look good in the end. And as you can see, these little bags make pretty like packaging for any of your paper crafts. I love this little storage trick or hack, or however you want to call it, whether you're buying the little baggies or you're repurposing them. They work just fine. This one was repurposed, this one was purchased, the bag, and as you can see, it's cool, and it protects your designs. Couldn't think of the word there, but it protects your designs, and it's a great way to send Happy Mail. You can stick this in there in a little loaded bag, and how cute is that? It's awesome. And you can store this, or you can throw this on a card, and that'll be just as cute. Who knows? Alright, so that is it for me today. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out this quick tip. I hope it was helpful and that you can use it in your happy crafting creations. And I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, wait. Like this video, honey, before you go. Go on and like it, like it, like it. Share it with your crafty friends. Share it with your crafty friends. Share it with your crafty friends. All right, but that's it from me today, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.